to Tony's How It Works in Off-Road. Today we're working again on the 2000 XJ I have, the newest vehicle to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some new headlights that I decided to try out. I like to kind of go through and kind of see which brands work the best, what have the nicest beams. There's not a lot of companies out there with LED kits that have a sealed beam light for anything with a 4x6 or a 5x7 or a 7x6 sealed beam. But there are a few, and you just have to look for them to find them. I found one of them, and I'm going to try them out, see how good these lights work. And so I got these sponsored by car sponsors and headlight experts. Now when you get this in the mail, you get two separate deals, and I actually thought that this was going to be a completely sealed beam, but actually what you end up getting is you get two sealed beam casings, and then you get the package of LED lights that look just like any other lights you would see. And right here, the warning cancelers or receptors, kind of a deal to keep the idea of it is to keep hyper flash from happening. Now obviously I'm not going to have a blinker in the headlight, but there is a purpose for them. So I'm going to show you tools we're going to use to install these headlights. Let's go ahead and get started. Now in theory, all you should need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So here's our LED light. There's the resistor, and of course the 3-prong plug-in that every XJ light comes with. Let's open up our box of the sealed beam here. This right here is our sealed beam. You're gonna get this rubber cap on the back. We're not gonna do anything with that. Also, this little plastic cover here is just to keep moisture out. So you grab these two prongs here, pull them out, lift it up, pull this out. Now, of course, take your light and you just gotta kind of wiggle it around to figure out where it goes. Make sure it sits down in that slot right there. And then you're gonna see these holes here. They're the exact same ones that were used on the stock headlight. You bring these prongs over and around the bulb. Then you put them down into those holes. You may have to do one at a time. As you can see, that's nice and stiff in there. No moisture is going to seep by that. So let's go ahead and get this installed into the Jeep. You're going to see two bolt holes here and here. They both should be Phillips. That should remove the headlight bezel. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips that hold this black bracket on right here. Holds the headlight into the headlight housing where it sits in the back there. Now you've got an adjuster here. You've got an adjuster over here. You've got, so these two adjusters here you don't want to do anything with, because that's going to adjust your beam pattern up, down, left, right. You can use a Phillips, or if you have a bit or a impact or whatever you want to use to get it done quicker. Now you're going to see back here, this is your 3-prong plug-in at the back of this sealed beam. All you have to do is just, well, yeah, so pull that out and break your old headlight. So now let's go ahead and put our new headlight into the socket here. There's only one place that this resistor and the plug is going to fit. It's usually going to be in here to the right or to the left. Depends on what you got stashed in there. On this side I can go either way, but there is a hole in the main wall here that you should be able to stuff it through, or on the other side I just stashed it into the right in there and to the right, your right. So let's go ahead and get this in there. Now for the best part. Let's test the lights to make sure they work and see the color. Then we will have to test the beam later. As you can see, it's light outside. So, yeah. Good to go. Nice color. They look good. That was my install video of the Headlight Experts sealed beam headlights with the LED bulbs for the 97 to 01 XJ. I believe the older XJs would have the same plug-in as well. I hope this video helped someone. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and press that like button and subscribe button. Help the channel out. You can check out my other videos, and I've got discounts and links in the description. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.